Right guys, welcome back to the channel.
Hi.
Hope you're all smashing it today. Today we've got a grille replacement. We've got the factory standard chromes, which are going to be getting replaced with these nice gloss black M3 style, M4 style grills. We're also going to be doing the crash braces blue, because Tom's are all corroded, the paint's flaking off. So Tom's going to show us how to do this properly, not the way I did it. So yeah, let's crack on and have a go.
Right guys, as Martin mentioned, today we're replacing the front grills, replacing them for the black grills and the V-base grills. Basically, to do that we need to take this weather strip off. First of all, what I like to do with it is just basically mark out where everything is. So just got a little bit of chalk your rubber, chalk the front brace there. Then obviously we can take this off nice and easy. Put that up there out the way. Then basically you've got 6 T30 Torx bits and 2 T25 Torx bits that you need to take off. Also, before I do this, I also like to just put a little bit of a chalk mark on the back here, just so you're making sure you get your bumper back in exactly the same place, so it just saves any minor later on. Right then, let's get into it. So take these two off. Let's say these are T25s, nice and easy. Go. And then onto the T30s. Do this as quickly as possible. There we go. So you just leave everything in the front scuttle panel there. As I say, it's not going to get in the way. It's not going to affect anything you're doing. Keeps everything where you need it. There we go. That's 4. 5, 6. Right, with this as well, you need to just bear in mind there's 2 little locators. You'll see them when you get around to do it, just under the headlights. There's one there and one on this side. You've also got 4 little clips at the front there. So when it's going back together, you just need to make sure you get them in the right place. But we'll go through that. As I say, just pull forwards, be a bit gentle with it. Make sure it all pulls forward so you can get your hands in there. Right, let's just have a. As I say, I've already had these grills out just to make it a bit easier for us. Right then, so once you've got that off and removed, what you need to do is get your hands in behind here. As I say, it's a bit tight, but there's a little clip in the corner, just at the back there. Then you've got, how many is there? 1, 2, 3 across the top, 3 across the bottom, and I don't think there's one on that side as well. So I always like to start from the outside. Basically pop that in, just pull forwards on there. So when you've got the 1, 2, there we go. That one's off. Get the ones at the bottom. Yeah, you get quite dirty doing this, especially if you've not cleaned your car, so don't wear your Sunday best. Right, we've got one in the corner there. Let's see if we can get that one. Oh, there we go. That's out. Right, I'll just show you exactly what I was doing. So these are your clips around your grill. Basically those little tabs there, you just push that in, hold the grill at the front, bit of pressure, and work your way around till it comes out. And as I say, see that one's out, put that there, and we'll have a go at doing this side. Right, so same again, work from the side, push your clip in, pull your grill, have a go at this top one, bottom one there. So it is a bit fiddly. You've got fat fingers like me, it's not the easiest. There we go. That one. And there we go. And there are your grills out. And as I say, now we can look at getting the new ones back in. Right guys, so here we go. Another view of it, a bit lower down so you can actually see the grills out. Obviously, you see a bit easier. These are all your locating bits for the grills. Obviously, pay attention to them when you put the new ones back in. But what we'll do is get on with the V-brace covers. Now, I'd say I've gone for the blue ones. There's loads of different colours out there, but I think these might look the nicest. Right. Now, they're quite solid plastic, so I believe they're quite hard to put on. This is my first time doing it, so we'll see how it goes. So basically, I imagine you get them on, get them roughly in place, and then apply a bit of pressure, and there we go, snapped on. Nice and easy. Let's move that down a bit. Go to the other side. Yeah, again, obviously you've got that bit at the back. Get it in place, roughly where you want it. Bit of pressure. There we go. They are on, looking fresher already. Right then, let's have a look at the grills. As I say, these are the grills. Nice black, shiny, M3 style. So we'll start off with this side. Obviously make sure you're, when you're putting them in, you can see where all the locating pins are. So just be careful, you don't want to break anything. Make sure you've lined it up, then just snap it in, just like that. There we go. Right, let's have a look at the other side. Same again. Line it up, make sure everything's in the right place, and snap it in. Easy as that. Right, we'll look at putting it all back together. It's basically the reverse of the taking it apart, but we'll go through that for you anyway, just so you know what you're doing. Right then, so obviously this is getting it all back together. A couple of things to pay attention to. You can just see in the corner, there's a little tab on the light there. Bumper fits under that like that. Same on this side. Also, you've got these little clips here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Just need to make sure you get the bumper back under those clips when you push it in. So let's have a go. Obviously make sure that's under there, that's on that side. You're under all your clips here. Just a little gentle push. Push it back in. Now obviously this is where your chalk lines come in handy. Just so you can see where it originally sat, so you get your front all lined up with the bonnet and everything. There's another way of doing it. Obviously you've got little marks where the bolts were originally. You can just follow them if you've not got any chalk or anything. But we'll go for put these front ones back in. So these ones are your T30. So get them back in. Get it down a bit. Make sure you're lined up with your chalk lines. Nip it back up again. There we go, there's one. So once you've got your front two ones, then it's pretty much in place, so you don't have to worry too much with the rest, but there we go, that's back in. Tighten that up. Just check it with my marks, yeah, that looks fine. So we'll get the rest in. Right, so these are the other T30s. Get that in. As I say, all lines back up nicely if you've done it correctly. There we go. That in. Push that back a bit. Make sure that's in place. Tighten that up and get these ones in. You can do this with a drill, but I like to do it by hand. It just means you don't over tighten anything. These in, so this is your last T30. That in. And then onto your two T25s just at the end here. Get that started. Screw that up, yeah. That all lines up right. There's the other one. There we go. As I say, if you keep all your bolts in the front scuttle pan, you're not going to lose anything. Nice and easy to refit. There we go. So that's them done. Put them out of the way. Get your rubber strip. Basically, as you can see, you've got a chalk mark, little chalk mark on the front. So tuck them under, get that back in the right place, and get that in. Just work a bit along, make sure it's all located properly. There we go. Get that in. Work back along this side. There we go. So you kind of got to kind of rock it in a bit to get it to fit, but Once you have a go, you'll soon see. There we go. And that is back together. Right.
Right guys, so there we go. Grill and V-brace replacement, the correct way to do it. You happy with it?
Yeah, really happy with it, to be honest. See, I like the black, I like the blue. Went for the blue because of the badge. Wasn't sure on it, but you know, I think it's worked out well.
Does look
Hope
a
you
lot
guys
fresher,
agree.
doesn't it?
Yeah,
Does
I
look
think
a lot
so.
fresher. So there we go guys, so please like and subscribe, follow our journey, and hopefully we'll be having more content coming very soon, so yeah.
Alright, see you soon.
Take care, see you now.